What's up, everybody? Just taking a little walk around here in the junkyard, the pool part. So I'm gonna walk over the Ford section and see what they have. Edna needs something fun, and I'm really feeling like a legit junkyard build. I haven't done one like extremely legit from the junkyard motor and trans. So let's just take a poke around real quick. We had a couple minutes, so. Got a 5.0 here. I don't know what year this is. I am not the Ford guy, but someone definitely got the intake. So this Capri got robbed of the 5-speed, but this is the non-roller, non-forged piston motor, and then I think the T5 is non-world class, so whatever. So we have a 96, the disc brake 8.8. I have an 8.8 at the house, so I don't know if we need that, but good to know. There she is, the real hero. This is what we need. You don't see this a lot. The motor actually still here. Can't be a great sign. 706s. Huh. I wonder why it's still here. It'd be an easy pull. Someone even robbed the oil gallery plug. Wonder what the deal is. It's even got a flex plate and the converter still on it. Oh, there's no oil pan. There we go. Ooh, Gen 4 rod. At this point, I'm just curious now. So no pickup. Not too bad. I don't feel too bad, huh? I kind of want this. It's probably all full of water and stuff, but they're getting kind of harder to find here. I don't have any tools or the truck, but looks like no one's been here for a while or something. So, well, I think about this, but I might come snag this because this is really easy too. I mean, you just grab it with the crane, a couple bolts, and you're done. So, see, this is what makes that hard too. So this is a legitimate junkyard build if I snag this. And there's one here. I want to do a Ford motor in Edna, but it's like the gods of hot rodding just really want it to be LS. And that poll I put up, you guys put a lot of LS. I didn't think that was gonna come, but I put Ford or LS on the first video with Edna, and you guys were smashing the LS button, which we're doing another LS Fairmont, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe the people have spoken. Maybe the universe wants it. I don't know. There's a 4200. Oh, it's all gross. That'd be cool. So that was a little intro for you checking out the junkyard. We had some extra time after the gym before we head over to James's house. So about to pull into James's and let's get a little dirty on this L29 454 build. Break it down, check out a couple things, and then yeah, nothing too crazy, but it'll be a good episode. Look at this, these deals. What do they call this? Isn't this the
Sure.
Well, yeah, but I mean, wasn't there like a name for this style distributor?
Crab cap?
Yeah, crab cap, that's what it was. See, he knew what I was talking about. I'll do all the hard stuff. How many quarts is this? This was like a baking pan.
Oh yeah.
It's a drain pan from Walmart. OSHA approved. Is the knock sensor?
Yeah.
There you go.
Gonna be some more here in a sec.
There's your crank position sensor. How's the pan look?
Little sludge down at the bottom. Not bad.
There you go.
Woo! She's gonna drip.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. A little bent.
Oh, bam. That stock hotness right there. How those cam bearings look though. Oh yeah, good enough. Verdict? I think it's a pretty good motor.
Looks real good.
That's really good.
A little bit of sludge. Not much.
What's up with these? Is this just all oil gallery stuff?
Yeah. And then here's your your 4 spider hold downs.
Yeah, for that.
That's what the Gen 5 doesn't have.
This bracket or this spider. And what does that do? Really just oil again?
What's that?
Just the spider is just for oil.
It holds the retainer.
Oh, the retainers for the lifters?
Yeah, it just holds it on top of the lifter so it doesn't move up.
Just hold it. Boop.
Or reuse all this stuff.
Hell yeah. To be cleaned. But we're going to put in a different oil pump, maybe? Or
yes.
some, yeah. Here's that little nylon piece he was talking about. Holds the distributor. What is it? Distributor rod, oil pump drive.
Yep.
What do you want to call it? Holds it in. This one's actually broken. We might have broke it when we pulled it out.
What's that?
The little plastic.
Oh. Don't film that.
It's going sideways.
I know.
No, this has to be filmed. You're sending it right now, and I like it. It's working. It's only stupid if it doesn't work. You know what I mean? There you go. See, life just teaches you that it's okay as long as it works.
Motors, because they got these extra things in here.
Oh, the counterweights.
Yeah. Got this funky.
Oh, that's weird. What is that? It's like a... Huh.
Right here.
Yeah, that's weird. Huh. Huh.
Gen 6 crank.
Gen 6 stuff. Just doing Gen 6 things with my friends. So we've seen so far that it's standard And it is actually it's a new motor, right, dude? It wasn't even remanned. It's like I think it's like a new motor that they had bought, but it just says remanufactured here on the side. So all in all, looks like we're in really good shape for the build. The motors looks good. This is gonna stay this way, and we're basically gonna do the cam and go backwards from here. Maybe we're gonna clean it up.
Yeah, we'll clean up a little bit.
Clean it up. Yeah, make it look good, and then get ready to go the other direction and put it together. All right, so what's next on this thing?
Do up the heads, valve springs, put a cam in it, start putting it back together.
It only took us like 40 minutes, man. Ain't nothing. Would it take you like 30 without me? So that's gonna do it for the L29 454 build, the third episode. On the fourth episode, look forward to, we're gonna do the springs, take care of the heads, get them ready to bolt back on, and then do the cam, etc. Start the assembly process. Saturday we will have an upload. I am getting married Saturday, that's why I got this haircut. So Monday, I'm not sure if we'll be uploading, but thanks again for all you guys' support and love. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the button over there. If you guys are feeling it. As for me, I'm out. Peace. SD card full.